What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and if you're like me, then just about everything in your home is connected to the internet, from PCs to laptops to all the different cell phones and gaming consoles. Now even your cameras, doorbells, and light switches have to be connected to the internet. For all those connections, you need a reliable and fast mesh system. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new tplink AX4300 Pro. This is a whole home Wi-Fi 6 mesh system that could definitely improve the internet connection for your devices. Big shout outs to tplink for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's go ahead and get this out of the box and see what all we're working with here. Right off the bat, we have all of our mesh satellites here ready to go. You do have a quick guide right here up top. If we open this portion of the box here, we've got an Ethernet cable, we've got our quick installation guide, and then we've got 3 power bricks. Real quickly, we'll take a closer look at the mesh points. I like the modern design. I think these are really going to fit in anywhere, whether this be sitting on your desk in your office, or if it's next to a TV, or even on your kitchen countertop. I think this is really going to look nice anywhere you put it. On the back here, you do have your 3 Ethernet connections. 2 of those are 1 gigabit per second and 1 is 2.5 gigabits per second. So you will be able to utilize those top speeds, and you are able to backhaul your Ethernet here as well to get the best possible connection between these wired. And then you have your power port right there at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and get these set up. The first thing you'll need to do to get this set up is download the Deco app and register an account or log in. Then we'll go ahead and hit Let's Begin. Next, we want to confirm our series. We're working with the X4300 Pro. Tells us what we'll need there: power adapter and Ethernet cable. Power off your modem. So it says that it's important that we turn off our ISP modem. I'm going to do that now. Plug in your devices. So you need to go Ethernet to ISP modem, and then of course power to your wall socket. And so I've got my Ethernet and my power plugged up and ready to go. So I'll go ahead and select next. Next up, we're going to go ahead and turn on our ISP modem and make sure that it has its connection. Power on Deco and wait until the LED pulses blue, which it's doing now. All right, looks like it is connected between the phone and the mesh unit. Okay, we're gonna set up where this is. This is in my office, so I'll select office. Okay, now I can choose my network name and password. So I'm actually gonna make this the same as my previous network. That way all my devices will automatically connect. Okay, just like that, I am now connected to my new Wi-Fi network. This is my favorite part of any TP-Link mesh setup. You just simply plug in the additional mesh points, the application automatically syncs them to the network. Super easy. I'm going to do that now. So I've just plugged in my second mesh unit here in the living room. It's working on getting connected. It should be ready to go within just a few minutes. And that easily, all of my mesh points are automatically connected and ready to go. As you can see, setup on the AX4300 Pro is an absolute breeze, and I think anybody could get this set up in their home. To me, the number one standout feature of the AX4300 Pro has to be the inclusion of that 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet port. This means that you can utilize a multi-gig connection. Many carriers out there, including my carrier AT&T, they are providing multi-gig connections. If you're looking to stream 8K, if you're looking to do VR gaming, you're gonna need that next level performance from your internet, and you get that with the AX4300 Pro and that multi-gig connection. With this system, you do get next-gen Wi-Fi 6 speeds of up to 4.3 gigabits per second, and the 3-pack covers up to 7,000 square feet. So you can think homes that have, 4 to 7 bedrooms, this is going to be perfect for your setup. I can also definitely see this providing great connections for everyone at a business location. With all this additional coverage, you'll be able to eliminate dead zones and buffering, and that's the beauty of a mesh system. So if you're just using the traditional router that came with your ISP, then you only have that one connection point. Traditional routers use a 2.4 gigahertz band and 5 gigahertz band. If you're near the main router, then you have a pretty good connection. It's when you get further away from the router, when you switch over to that 2.4 gigahertz connection, that is a less robust connection, less devices can be connected at the same time and you see less speeds. That's why you may be experiencing some buffering and your device is disconnecting at times. With the mesh system, this is going to extend that more robust 5 gigahertz bandwidth connection throughout your entire home, meaning you get more connections and faster speeds. With the AX4300 Pro, you'll be able to connect up to 150 devices at a time without having to worry about any of those losing or dropping connection. With this setup, you do get stronger wireless connections via beamforming. There's even an option for Ethernet backhauling, so you can connect all the mesh points wired for the best possible speeds. With that beamforming, you also get next level wireless connections between the mesh points. This features AI-driven mesh technology, meaning your network actually improves over time as it learns your usage patterns and can conform to the way that you use your internet. This is also an intelligent Wi-Fi network unified under one name and password. Smartphones and other Wi-Fi devices tend to stick to the last network that they were connected to. So if you're using a traditional Wi-Fi range extender, you may find that even though you have left your original connection and you're closer to a stronger connection, because the phone is sticking to that first connection, you don't even take advantage of the Wi-Fi extender. With the AX4300 Pro, your devices will automatically switch to the strongest signal in the mesh network for a more seamless connection as you move from room to room. The included Home Shield security makes sure that your Wi-Fi network is totally safe and even includes security for Internet of Things devices like your vacuum cleaner or your wireless doorbell. Home Shield security includes Home Network Scanner, which scans your home network in real time for potential threats and other issues. With the included parental controls, you can set up boundaries for your kids' access to the internet, including time management so that they're not stuck on their phones all day, every day. This also includes WPA3 security, which is the latest in cybersecurity encryption with advanced security protocols to protect against brute force attacks, further safeguarding your home network. Let's go ahead and give this a test and see how well this works and can we really improve our speeds with the AX4300 Pro. I'm going to go ahead and run my test right here in the office, and I'm well over 750 here in the office, which is pretty incredible. I'm paying for a 1 gig connection from AT&T, so this is really, really good speeds here in the office off of the first mesh point. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and run a test here in the living room. This is about the middle of my home, so I'll go ahead and run a test again here from the living room, and I'm still getting really, really good speeds. So it looks like we're able to do over 300 here in the living room. Next up, we'll go ahead and test this in the kitchen. This is at the very opposite side of the house, the furthest away that I can get from the ISP router in my office. So we'll go ahead and test it here. All right, and we're over 300 here as well. So still really, really good speeds. This is just incredible. Just for fun, we'll go ahead and test it outside. This is in my back porch, even further away than the kitchen. Let's see what we get out here. And that's still super respectable. We're in the 210s, 220s, even outside. So when I get way away from my office and I'm outdoors, I still get great internet connection. If you're looking for a Wi-Fi 6 mesh system with multi-gig support, you really can't go wrong with the AX4300 Pro, especially at this price point. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can find more information about this setup and purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.